Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well at home. Stay home, stay safe, and follow the homework, whatever I'm giving. And I hope you are doing all the bits with a few more examples, trying on your own. Okay, let's start our math session today. All of you take out your page number 30. Take out your textbook, page number 30. Open page number 30, children. So in the last class, we discussed about a very, very important topic, that is ascending order and descending order, how to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest and as well as biggest to smallest. Children, you have to take few more numbers on your own to practice these two bits. Then only you will get the right answers. Number of examples when you'll practice, then you will get the perfection. So my dear children, take 3-digit numbers and arrange on your own without taking off your parents' help. Take, okay, if you will do mistake also, no problem, children. But practice makes man perfect. So you have to do practice daily. If I'm not giving homework also, teacher is not given no homework, no problem, nothing will happen. Like that, don't relax, children. Do your homework. Homework means nothing but whatever teacher is giving, not only that is homework, that is that homework. You have to do on your own. Maths means you can try on your own. Okay, you can take your numbers on your own and you can do that related bits with your own number. Children, you are very intelligent children. I know about you. So children, you can take examples on your own and you can solve your answers. Children, please note this, as well as when you are solving this bit, don't forget to learn tables side by side. Tables are also very important, children. So next, today I am going to start our math session, children. Chapter 2, numbers, page number 30, 8th bit. Children, here I am reading the question. Observe carefully. Some numbers are given here. Circle the range that the numbers lies in. Range. Range means where the number lies in. So here one example he has given. So observe this number and then you have to identify the range. Means this number lies in between. Not exactly between, but the range. Range means it may be in between of that numbers. Okay. For example, between numbers means what? 8, 7 and 9 between number is 8. So that is called between number. Here we will call not a between number. We will call it as a range. So it may lies in between the numbers 850 to 900. There are 50 numbers. So here he round up this. So what you understood? 885 lies in between 850 to 900. Is that clear? 850 to 900 between. So first, whenever you will get like these questions, but once you have to observe hundreds place number, tens place numbers, and ones place number. Most importantly, 100 place number is very important. It will tell us where the number lies in between. For example, 885 lies in between 8. Here answers are there. So 800 to 850. Okay, 800 to 850. There is no chance of 85. Now you observe tens and ones. So it will lies in between 800 to 900 between children. 885 lies in between 800 to 900. But here he divided 50 numbers one side, 50 numbers one more side. So here 750 to 800. So 800 after 885 will get. So this is the wrong answer. So here these two answers we have. In the out of these two answers, we have to identify which is the right range. So 85. Now observe carefully hundreds place number. Then you decided it lies between 800 to 900. Now here again he divided 800 to 900 numbers into half part. 800 to 850, 850 to 900. Now see 85. Now you observe tens place, ones place. Okay, 85, 85, 85. 85. When you'll count numbers, 85. When it will come children after 50, before 50, Answer my question, children. 85 will come when you will count the numbers. 85 will come after 50, before 50. Teacher, after 50 only will get, you will answer. Is that clear? Always 50 after only 60, 60, 70, 80, 90 means 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So after 50 only we will get 85. So 850 to 900. Oh, so you can put cross mark, whichever is not correct answer. So which answer is left now? Here, this answer is left. So 885, you can check 50 to 900. 50 after only 85 will get. So this is the right answer. So you asked to circle. So you have to circle the right answer. Now let's go to the first question. So here 98, you know very well 98 where it will come. So here he has given 3 answers. So you have to be very careful. First you observe tens place number 9. 9 will come after 8. So see here 98. 98 will come after 90. Always observe this number with this last number, children. Okay. See 98, 90. So you know 90 after only you will get 98. So this is the wrong answer. So here 90 to 100. 90 after 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Here it lies. So 90 to 100 numbers are what? 90 to 100 numbers are what, children? 90 to 100. What are the between numbers? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. These are the numbers. Lies in between 90 to 100. So he asked, identify where this number lies in between. What is the range? Whether it is right or not. So 98 lies here. So this is the right answer. Children, you have to circle second one. So 632. 632 lies in between, 600 to 700. 632 will come in between 600 to 700. It lies in between 600 to 700. Now you have to observe carefully this tens ones place. 32. 32 will come in between 600 to 650. 650 to 700. 700 to 750. There is no question arise. Why? Because this is 632. 632 will come after 700. No. So this will be the wrong answer. Now we have to identify out of these two answers which is the right answer. So 632. 32 lies in between 600 to 50. 32 will come before 50. 50 after you will get 51, 52 like that numbers. So 50 before only you will get 32. So which is the right answer? This is the right answer. So round up. So children, this is not a big issue. I mean, it is not a tough bit. You have to know the given last two digit numbers will come before 50 or otherwise before number after number. Here they gave ranges. So these ranges you have to find out where is the number lies in between. So last number always you have to observe. Now here 304 is there. 304 lies in between, 304 will come between 300 to 400. When you write numbers 301 to 400, you'll get this number, yes or no? After 300 you'll get, okay, before 400. So exactly after observing the answers, we have to find where it lies. So here he has given 250 to 300. So 300, observe carefully. After 300 we'll get 304. So this is the wrong answer. Children, numbers, you have to know the numbers for this bit. So 304 will come after 300 I said. So here you have to observe 4. 04 is nothing but 4. 4 will come last the number you have to observe 350. 304 will come before 350. After 350. Exactly. Before 50 only 4 number will get. Yes or no? 300 after 301. 302, 303, 304. So here this is the right answer. Why this is the wrong answer? 4 will come after 50. Yeah? Observe this carefully. 2 digits. 50 after 304, 350. 304 will come after 350. Yeah? No. So easily you can identify where the number lies in between. Now children, answer my question. 287 lies in between 207. When we will write numbers, we will get 287 between 200 to 300 numbers. So you have to observe carefully now 87. So 200 to 50. 200 to 50. So 50 is smaller than 87. So 50 after only 87 you will get. 2-digit number you observe now. Here 50. 50 after 87 you will get. So this is the wrong answer. 250 after only 287 you will get, children. So this is the wrong answer. So here 250 after 250 to 300 here answer he has given. So 250 after only you will get when you will count 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 like that when you will count. You will get 287 here in between 250 to 300. You write and check once. Okay, take out your rough book and you write 250 to 300 numbers you write it. Then you will get this 287 number in between. So this is the right answer. So circle it. Why this is the wrong answer? Why? Because 287 will not come after 300. Okay, this is the simple topic it is. You have to have idea. Okay, simple issue it is. Why? Because 287 will come before 300. So no need to check this answer. 945. 945 number will get between 900 to 1000 numbers. When you write 900 to 1000 numbers, you'll get 945 number. Now we again divided numbers like this. So 900, 945, when we will get 900, 800 to 900. 800 to 900 means all the numbers in hundreds place 8 will be. So here hundreds place number is 4. So this is the wrong answer. So 900 to 999. So 900 to 999. What is the before number of 1000? 999. Here this answer you check 400 to 500. Is there any possible to get 945? No. Why, children? Here in hundreds place 4 and 5 is there. Here hundreds place 9 is there. There is no question arise. Okay. Here which is the right answer? 945 you will get in between 900 to 999 numbers when you will write. I hope you understood this bit. Now children, now ninth bit all of you observe. Write all possible 3-digit numbers using 4, 6, 9. I already told you when you are asked to write a 3-digit 3-digit 100 tens ones. Okay, 100 tens ones means you have to write these given digits in triangle form. Okay, I already explained with the given digits how to frame 3-digit numbers. Once again I am explaining. Whenever digits are given to you, you have to arrange the number. See here 4, 6, 9 you have to write at the corners of a triangle. Now you have to write 4 as it is in hundreds place. Just you write that remaining digits in tens place and ones place. Again you write this 4. Okay, whenever you are selecting one number, you have to write 2 times that number in hundreds place. Just you have to reverse this number. Here 6 I wrote, no? In previous number 6 I wrote in tens place, no? Now 9 will come in tens place, 6 will go to ones place. Now 6, you write 6 in hundreds place. Now you have to write 4 and 9 in tens place. Again you write in hundreds place 6. Just you reverse this number 9, 4. Okay children? Now 9 you write 4 and 6 over in hundreds place. Now you write 9 in hundreds place. Just you write 6 4 in 6 4 in tens and ones place. Again you write 9 in hundreds place. Just you reverse this tens and ones place numbers. So what are the possible 3-digit numbers using these digits we can form? Excuse me, just a minute. Yes. Three-digit numbers are, children tell me, 469, 496, 649, 694, 964, 946. Whenever you'll get 3 digits, draw like this, one number. For example, whatever number you are writing at the top, that number you have to use in hundreds place twice. Twice means 2 times. Again, write this next number in hundreds place. Just you reverse this numbers 4994. And with this number in hundreds place, you'll get 2 numbers. Okay, 4 4 2 times, 6 6 2 times, 9 9 2 times. Just you have to reverse the numbers, then you'll get the possible numbers with that digit, 3-digit numbers with the given digits. I hope you understood this bit, children. Now write all possible numbers with 5 in the units place between 50 and 150. So second question, write all possible numbers with 5 in the units place between 150 to 150. Units place is nothing but ones place. Units place is nothing but ones place. So my dear children, don't get confused what is unit place. Unit place is nothing but ones place. So he is asking us to write the numbers between 50 and 150. How the numbers should be? In units place, 5 should be. So units place means here we are having 50 to 150. So units place 5 means units place means ones place. Okay. Here we are having 3-digit number means we may get hundreds place number also. First you write HTO. Now children, 50. 50 after 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So 55 after 56. But here you observe carefully. I am writing 50 to 60 numbers. Okay, children, observe this first step of the numbers. Then you can write remaining numbers on your own. I wrote actually is asking 50 to 150. Here I can't write 50 to 150 numbers. You have to write first 50 to 150 numbers for idea. After writing answer, you will understand. So 50 to 60 numbers I have written here. So he's asking in units place 50 to 60. Observe in units place 5 having number. So here this number is having 5 in units place. I have written only 50 to 60 numbers, children. Actually is asking to find out the numbers which is having in units place 5. Between 50 to 150, here only I written 50 to 60. You have to write 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110, 101 to 110, 111 to 120, 121 to 130, 131 to 140, 141 to 150. So children, my dear children, now you answer. After observing this bit, here from 50 to 60 when I written numbers, I got 5 in units place, one number, that is 55. 55. Now when I'll write 61 to 70 with 5 in units place, which number you'll get, children? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. 65 is having 61 to 70 when you'll write you will get a 65 with unit place number 5. Now observe this number 71 to 80 when you'll write which number you will have a 5 in one place? Exactly 75. 81 to 90, 90. 81 to 90 when you'll write numbers, which number will have 5 in units place? 85. 91 to 100 numbers when you'll write you'll have 5 in units place number is 95. 101 to 110 when you'll write number, you'll get 105. 5 in ones place, 0 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. 3-digit number means you are to write in hundreds place. So 111 to 120, 112, 113, 114, 115. Okay, children? 100. Okay, this one over, this one finished, this one finished, this one finished, and this one also finished. Now, when you will write 121 to 130, which number will have 5 in units place? Tell me, children. 122, 123, 124, 125. So, next. 131 to 140 numbers when you will write which number will have 5 in units place? 132, 133, 134, 135. Yes, exactly. I hope you understood. So 141 to 150 numbers when you'll write, which number will have 5 in units place, children? 141 after, 42, 143, 144, 145. I hope you understood. Just you write these numbers in your rough book. Just you find out which number is having 5 in units place. That numbers you can write like this, or otherwise side by side 55, 65 you can write like that also. I hope you understood, children. Please note down this 9th bit, okay, 8th bit, 9th bit in your homework as a homework in your notebook today. Children, last question. Write all possible numbers between 800 to 900. You know 800 to 900 numbers. Okay, if I'll ask you to write 800 to 900 numbers, you will write. Now I'll ask you one question. He is asking 800 to 900 numbers. Only 800 to 900 numbers you have to observe, which is having 6 in tens place, it seems. So you know the numbers between 800 to 900 are all 3-digit numbers. So he is asking us to write the numbers between 800 to 900. Which numbers are having 6 in tens place? So 6 in tens place numbers we have to write, it seems. Teacher, how we are writing all 6 in tens place, you can ask. So 6 in tens place numbers will be 10 numbers you will get. How? 800 to 900 between numbers, 6 in tens place should be. Now when you will get 6 in tens place numbers between 800 to 900, you will get after 859. 859 means 860. 860 after 861. 861 after 862. 863. 864. 865. 866. 867. 868. 869. 870 I'll get no. Why? Because he is asking only the numbers which lies in between 800 to 900. The number should have in tens place 6 only. So with 6 in tens place, these are the possible numbers, children. I hope you understood. Okay, children. Today, these 2 bits you have to note down in your notebook, children. Tomorrow, I will teach remaining bits. Those are very easy bits. You can do these 2 bits also on your own. 12th and 13th bit. Note down. If you know the answer, just you note down these bits answers in your textbook. After solving these two 10th and 11th bits in your textbook, after explanation, I will ask you to note down these 4 bits in your classwork, children. I'll end the session today. Children, all of you, keep smiling. Have a nice day and do this work today itself in your notebook, children. Thank you and have a nice day.